Hey, little explorers! Can you hear that roar? Dinosaur Island is waiting for us. Get ready, let's go!
Welcome, kids, to the jungle zone, where the biggest dinosaurs call it home. Grab your mats and stand up straight. Our island journey is gonna be great. Reach up high like a brontosaur tree, stretching your arms up, 1, 2, 3. Bend down low to touch the ground, like a little triceratops walking around. Take a deep breath and touch your toes. Up, 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 your body goes. Take a deep breath in. Let the air blow out. Feel the magic all about. Wiggle your fingers, plant your feet, moving together to the island beat. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Dino Island, let's explore. Stretch and balance, hear us roar. Stand on one leg, hold it tight. Dino Yoga, doing it right. Up and down and side to side on a magical dinosaur ride. Pterodactyls in the sky so blue. Flap your wings, we're flying too. Balance on your tippy toes. Feel the wind wherever it goes. Stegosaurus with plates on its back, arch like a cat on the jungle track. Round your spine, then let it dip. Dino Yoga on an island trip. Hush now, listen, what do we hear? A gentle river flowing near. Sit down softly, cross your legs like baby dinos in their eggs. Breathe in peace, breathe out the wiggles. Share a smile and soft little giggles. Make yourself small. Now grow so tall. Dino Island, let's explore. Stretch and balance, hear us roar. Stand on one leg, hold it tight. Dino Yoga, doing it right. Up and down and side to side on a magical dinosaur ride. The dino sun is setting low. Time to rest and let it go. Hands to your heart, bow your head. Dream of the jungle in your bed. Breathe in slow. Breathe out light. Namaste, my dino friends. Good night. Dino Island's calling, sing the song. Step on your yoga mat. Ready for adventure? Picture that. Stomp your feet, 1, 2, 3. Stretch up high like a jungle tree. Breathe in deep, let it go. Dino Island, here we go. Step through the jungle slow and small. Reach up high, then breathe it all. Arms to the side, sway and glide. A whole dino world is waiting outside. Hear that stomp between the trees. T-Rex coming, bend your knees. Tiny arms, giant feet. Stomp along to the dino beat. Look up high, what's in the view? A long neck stretching right past you. Brachiosaurus, big and tall, reaching for the leaves and all. Breathe in, breathe out, shake your dino tail about. Stomp down low, stretch up tall. Ready? Dinos, roar for all! Stomp, stomp, stomp on Dino Isle. slow. Down the trail comes Triceratops, horns up front and never stops. Plant your feet, stand up strong, find your balance, move along. Stegosaurus sways and bends through the ferns and around the bend. Bend down low, stretch your back, swish your tail, then bring it back. Pterodactyl circles high, spread your wings and touch the sky. Lift one leg, count to 3, soar above the sea with me. Feel the island shake, rumble, rumble. The volcano's wide awake. Crouch down low, curl up small, like a dino egg, that's all. Breathe in slow, now rise high. Crack, 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 it's hatching time. Stretch up tall, peek outside. Hello, Dino Island. What a ride! Stomp, stomp, stomp on Dino Isle. Stretch up tall with the dino smile. Sway to the left, sway to the right. Dino yoga feels just right. Roar, 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 and touch your toes. Reach for the sky, up your body goes. T-Rex, stay, go, fly with me. Dino dancing by the sea. Stomp, 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 roar, roar, roar. Little dinos, you're superstars. One more breath, nice and slow. Dino Island, way to go. Sun is sinking, going low. Golden skies begin to glow. Little dinos, time to rest. Settle softly in your nest. Hands on your heart, close your eyes. Breathe in slow, breathe out. Stars are twinkling up above. Dino Island says good night. Great job, little dinos. See you next time. One tiny roar, roar. Namaste.
Wow, you did such an amazing job today, little yogis. I am so proud of you. Let's take one last deep breath together, in and out. If you had fun today, ask a grown-up to like this video and subscribe. See you next time for more yoga fun. Bye-bye.